Hi guys, Kanika here, and you're watching the K Factor by Kanika Kush. A question to you is that एक तो बहुत मक्खियाँ नहीं हो गई हैं क्या अंदर? हाँ, have you realized that suddenly? हमारा घर साफ है यार, लेकिन बहुत सारी मक्खियाँ आ गई हैं अंदर for some reason. Sorry. Okay, so what was हाँ? So we all have indulgences, right? And for me, my indulgence is books. It is crazy. Okay, you may have indulgences in now I'm back. Now I will not get distracted by stupid monkey. Okay, so आपका indulgence could be maybe accessories or makeup or even utensils. I've seen people who are indulging in utensils because उनका वो that's what they do. Okay, so that's fine. Now as humans we need to also have indulgences. मतलब कोई hermit crab का हमें वो नहीं करना है. Existence like a recluse or completely like बिल्कुल वाटर टाइट जार के अंदर रहना है जिंदगी भर. दैट्स नॉट व्हाट इट इज. इट्स आल्सो अबाउट एंजॉयिंग द फाइनर थिंग्स ऑफ लाइफ, राइट? बट हाउ मच इज द क्वेश्चन. Okay, so for me books are my indulgence, always have been. Now it's come down. Okay, pehle it was 100%, it's come down to 40. Okay, 50%. I've brought it down to 50%. Okay, now how did that happen? Of course through minimalism, that I've told you a number of times. In fact, I made a video on books also, but that was when I was doing it, because that time I had 450 or 500 books. And guess where they came out from? They came out from the box storage which is under the bed, from storeroom, from suitcases. मतलब भर भर के सूटकेस में बुक्स हैं और नए सूटकेस खरीदे जा रहे हैं for travel. Like I just feel stupid even telling you this, okay? And then of course cupboards and library, like the cabinets and things. Now today we have about 52, 53 books total among the three of us. All three. I'm not talking about academic books for the kid. I'm not talking about those, but books. Okay? ये कैसे हुआ वो मैं बना चुकी हूँ वीडियो. Like how did that happen? That was pretty simple. वो हो गया था. Today's video is about how I still practice minimalism and how to. So let's say you are also a book lover and दी नहीं जाती, because I get that sentiment. Okay, I understand it completely. So you just can't like give away the books. ऐसे लगता है that your heart is getting torn, right? So how do you do it? Is again compartmentalize your books into 3 sections. First, reference books. Second, fiction. And third, heart. Dil, heart. I'll get to it. Okay, reference books. Unless you are a doctor or a lawyer, ये मेरे अंडरस्टैंडिंग में ये दो प्रोफेशंस हैं. मे बी और होंगे, बट आई नो दीज टू काइंड ऑफ पीपल हु एक्चुअली हैव टू रेफर टू अ लॉट ऑफ बुक्स, even if they are 20 years old or 30 years old, I'm guessing because of their profession. So if you are any of these two, then you are exempt from this video. But if not, it applies to you. Okay, what you're going to do, जो आपका reference के under वाला section है, whenever you begin to do this, get all the books in a pile under the reference section, then start looking at each. As an example, let's say I have a book. Obviously ना, मतलब ये minimalism पे ही होगी ना reference की book. I mean everything I'm telling you doesn't come from here. I have to read. Okay, so now this is a book I had bought last year, I think. Yeah, this year, I don't remember. But I've read it cover to cover. But the point is, it does have some pearls of wisdom. And अगर मैं इसको दे दूंगी तो then again I have to do research online. ये वो यहाँ मेरे underline है बहुत चीज़ें, मुझे पता है कहाँ पे जाना है. So it helps me. Similarly, I have a few spiritual books also and self-growth and self-improvement wala, which again I always see that did this really help me and is this something I'm going to come back to? So I give it a month or so and then I again look that nahi yaar, I'm not coming back to it. It's just nice. So I let it go. But this one I actually do like read pretty much every week, because every week I make the video. So I look that okay, इसमें से कुछ है that I can tell. Thus, you will see which are the reference books that you go back to at least once in 2 months. अगर 6 months or चलो 1 year तक you've not touched a book which is a reference book, that's your cue to let it go. Okay, barring lawyers and doctors. I'm again repeating. Okay, so any book which is reference, repeating this, that you've not touched in the past 1 year, that's your cue. Or you make another like logic in your head that this could be the reason why I'm letting it go. Understood? So that's a reference book. Now comes fiction. Now in fiction, I'm generalizing a little bit, but in fiction, I would assume it would also include सी ऑटोबायोग्राफी मुझे पता नहीं कहाँ पर आती है, बट दैट्स योर चॉइस. Autobiographies if you like reading and where do you want to classify them. But for me, I still put them in the beach wala bit, okay, which is it's not really fiction, it's like a fast read, like about somebody, but it's not something that you will, it's not a reference book for sure, right? Actually इसमें I'm confused. So autobiography रहने देते हैं because it could also be reference ना, somebody who's really influencing you a lot. You may want to keep coming back to his or her teachings. So let's leave autobiography. That's a separate section altogether. अब जैसे I had done autobiography of a very famous Indian director. We all know who we are talking about, right? The It director. You know who I'm talking about. I'm not going to mention him. I love him and I read his autobiography, but then again उसमें कुछ ऐसा है नहीं यार जो मैं बार बार I will पढ़ लिया, ठीक है, I gave it away because उसमें कुछ ऐसा नहीं हो रहा था. But I have an autobiography of a very famous artist, a music artist, a composer. He's written some pearls of wisdom. That book I have. Getting my point, right? Then in fiction only, this is the latest book that I read. It's done. It's a story. I know I'm not coming back to it. I know my husband's not interested. I'm going to let this go. So this goes on the side. Are you getting it? How you will do in every section? Last, which I said, heart. Heart में ना यार वो books आएंगी जो like this for me. Okay? एक तो उसका cover कितना सुंदर है यार. It's so pretty, right? And it's such a heartwarming book, you know. And it's not, yeah, it is fiction, but it still has some, it's just very nice. Okay? ये मेरे को 3 साल हो गए शायद पढ़ के, ये बुक मुझसे दी नहीं जाती बिल्कुल. मैं कितना भी I'll talk to myself and नहीं I'll put logic, नहीं. तो ठीक है ना, कोई फोर्स कर रहा है क्या जिंदगी में? So I keep it. Are you understanding? Heart books will be those books, but आपको सच बोलना पड़ेगा अपने आप से. You know, वो layers आपको, you will have to kind of let go of the layers. That is what minimalism is. You're letting go of the logic of the layers of logic that you're putting. So it shouldn't be like it's pretty. That probably wouldn't be the only thing. But if it is pretty yet it was useful and it touched your heart, then maybe yes. But then don't apply that logic to everything else. So yeah, it isn't. It takes practice. Okay, it takes practice is what I'm saying. That's why I'm repeating the Bookswala video after 2 years. I did this 2 years back also. You're understanding, right? So that is pretty much how you can do it. One last thing before I sign out is that a lot of you will also come up with the logic that yeah, Kanika, all this is fine, but you know, fiction may or any book that I'm letting go, I would like my children to read these books. So my question to you is that usme bhi you can apply the logic of maybe a little bit of time. Let's say your child is like he or she is going to read it immediately, maybe in the next 6 months or 7 months or 1 year. You feel that yeah, they have inclination, they're going to read it. Fair enough, keep it. बट जी आपका बच्चा 4 या 5 साल का है और आप सोच रहे हो कि जब बड़ा होगा ना यार व्हेन ही विल बी 20 तब मैं उसको ये बुक दूंगी. नो, लेट इट गो. तब तक शायद पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा यार 15 साल बाद. आई मीन कम ऑन, लेट इट गो. दे विल हैव एक्सेस. ओके, दीज आर द लॉजिक्स आई एम सेइंग. यू नीड टू लेट गो ऑफ दीज सिली लॉजिक्स. ये हम अपने आप को देते रहते हैं, डोंट मेक सेंस. एंड द लास्ट थिंग, if your books are turning out to be artifacts or show pieces, ask yourself, observe. See, basically just go to the place where the books are there and stare at them. Literally, and from a new perspective. Okay, new perspective. How many of them are just showpieces and how many of them are whatever I told you? Life will become simpler to kind of segregate and let go or retain. Okay, I know today was a little vague plus the makhi was bothering me, but कुछ तो समझ आया होगा, otherwise मैं ये फिर से बना लूंगी. ठीक है, चलो guys, you have a great day and I'll see you soon. Bye.